Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The problem might not be your writing quality, but rather your content structure. In this video, I am going to walk you through my exact step-by-step process for building a complete topical authority framework that Google loves. This doesn't happen because you wrote one great article. It happens because you've built comprehensive, complete coverage around an entire topic. Imagine it like a spiderweb. You have a main, central pillar page, and then multiple cluster articles that connect to it, covering every related angle. When Google sees that you've answered every possible question and explored every subtopic, you become the definitive go-to source. So, your very first step is to choose the primary topic you want to own. This is the foundation of your entire strategy. That's a recipe for failure because the competition is immense and you'll spread yourself too thin. Instead, you need to get focused. Remember, trying to cover too many unrelated topics dilutes your authority. In the world of SEO, focus always wins. Spend some time really brainstorming this. What do you want to be known for? What subject can you truly dominate? Once you've nailed down your core topic, it's time to build your pillar page. This is the master guide, the cornerstone of your content web. A pillar page gives a complete high-level overview of your topic. It provides a clear roadmap for your readers, guiding them through the entire subject. These are the individual pieces of content that branch off from your pillar page, each one covering a single subtopic in extreme depth. A beginner's guide to local citation building, how online reviews impact your local rankings, the definitive guide to local keyword research, or best practices for creating high-converting location pages. This is what creates that feeling of completeness in Google's eyes. It's the difference between telling Google I know a little about this and I am the expert on this. This comprehensive coverage is what truly builds authority and separates you from the competition. You need to align every single piece of content with search intent. For a topical authority plan to work, you must match every keyword you target with the right type of content. But a keyword like local SEO services near me has transactional intent. Don't just create content. Create the right content for the right query. They are powerful signals that tell search engines how your content is related and which pages are the most important. Then, each of those cluster articles must link back up to the main pillar page. And finally, wherever it's relevant and helpful for the reader, you should link between related cluster articles. Finally, and this is so important, building topical authority is not a one-time job. The web is constantly evolving, and your content needs to evolve with it. And stronger EOT signals directly translate to higher and more resilient rankings over time. That is the complete blueprint for how to build a topical authority content plan that genuinely boosts your rankings, builds trust with your audience, and establishes you as the expert in your field. It's not a quick hack, it's a long-term strategy that delivers sustainable results. Now, I have an offer for you. If you want me to create a full pillar and cluster content structure specifically for your niche, just drop your main topic in the comments below. I'll pick a few and map out a plan for you right there. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more SEO insights. I'll see you in the next video.